Hi there, everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about this amazing website called TEFLtest.com, which is a huge database containing over 6,000 sentences divided into over 130 grammar topics and classified in 8 different levels, as you can see here on the screen, so from beginner to proficiency. In order for me to show you how to work with this website, I'm going to try and use, for instance, this intermediate level. I'm going to click on here, and what we can see is a list of grammar topics to practice with. Okay, so you can see all these grammar topics. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on phrasal verbs, for example. And then I'm going to generate a test of 10 sentences. So I click on generate test now. And what I find is that the website goes to the database and it randomly selects 10 questions containing phrasal verbs for the intermediate level. And then the website randomly presents the sentences on the screen to the student. Now, teachers can print the test, and you never get the same test twice, although some sentences keep coming up here and there so that the students become familiar with previous sentences they worked with. Okay, so imagine that we do this test online now. Let's do this as an example. It says, when the president comes in, please obviously stand up. And in number 2, the ship, very early in the morning. The ship set off very early in the morning. Or mind the road, you could easily fall off the bike. And now let's imagine we don't know the answers to the next few questions. And we're even going to get some answers wrong, such as, for example, the workers, better work conditions and a higher salary. So the workers dealt with. Okay, we are going to do this on purpose, and we're going to fail another one. So for example, number 9, we're going to click on ask for, and then we'll correct the exercise, and it says, okay, you got 3 right and therefore 7 questions wrong out of 10. And what the student should do now is look at the questions they failed, try and understand why the right answers are the ones given here, and when they are sure that they have understood, they can retake the test. And so this time they only get a test with the 7 questions they got wrong the first time. And so in this way, the student perfects his ability in this grammar topic, his knowledge or her knowledge in this grammar topic, and then they can make progress fairly quickly, right? So this is how it works. I'm going to discard this test. Okay,